If you're wondering which email platform is better for e-commerce, ConvertKit or Sendinblue, you're in the right place. Both have their strengths, but they also have some drawbacks that might make you think twice. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear answer on which one suits your business, and if neither one meets your needs, I've got a better recommendation for you, so stick around. Let's start with the basics. ConvertKit is mainly designed with content creators in mind, but it has features that can be useful for e-commerce too. It has a user-friendly interface and some solid email marketing automation tools, making it easier for you to create sequences that drive engagement. However, it's somewhat limited when it comes to advanced e-commerce integrations. You'll have to work with third-party apps or rely on workarounds to get it all working smoothly. Next thing, Sendinblue. It's a more all-in-one solution and offers a wide range of features that can benefit e-commerce businesses. Email marketing, SMS campaigns, live chat, and even CRM capabilities are all in one platform. This is great for businesses looking for a comprehensive solution without having to rely on a bunch of separate tools. But here's the thing, while Sendinblue's features are broad, it doesn't shine as brightly in every area. For example, its email editor is not as intuitive as ConvertKit's, which could slow you down if you're just getting started. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. ConvertKit starts at a higher price point, but it's pretty straightforward. The pricing structure is simple, with no hidden fees, which is great if you're looking for something that's easy to budget for. However, you might find that Sendinblue gives you more bang for your buck, especially if you're looking to scale fast. Sendinblue's free tier lets you send up to 300 emails a day to unlimited subscribers, and even their paid tiers are generally more affordable compared to ConvertKit. Now let's talk about e-commerce specific features. ConvertKit does offer basic e-commerce integrations with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, but it's not as robust as Sendinblue in this area. Sendinblue comes with a built-in transactional email feature, which can be a huge benefit for e-commerce businesses looking to send order confirmations, shipping notifications, and more. ConvertKit doesn't offer this natively, so you'll have to integrate with other tools to get the same functionality. The next thing is automation. Both platforms excel here, but they have different strengths. ConvertKit's automation is great if you want to create simple, easy-to-follow workflows. It's easy to set up, and you don't need a ton of experience to make it work. However, if you want more advanced features like split testing, Sendinblue has you covered. It offers A/B testing and more customizable workflows, which could make a difference if you're looking to optimize every step of your e-commerce funnel. One more thing before we wrap it up, deliverability. Email deliverability is essential for your e-commerce business, and both platforms are decent in this area. However, Sendinblue has a slight edge because they send a lot of emails on behalf of major e-commerce brands and have built up their reputation. With ConvertKit, the deliverability is generally good, but you might face some issues depending on the complexity of your setup. So, with all that said, both ConvertKit and Sendinblue offer good options for e-commerce businesses, but there are some things to keep in mind. If you're on a tighter budget or need more e-commerce specific features, Sendinblue might be the better fit. ConvertKit, on the other hand, could be the choice if you're looking for something more intuitive and creator-friendly. But here's the thing, after trying both, I've found a better alternative that can help you grow your e-commerce business more effectively. It's got all the e-commerce specific tools, better integrations, and a free trial that gives you exclusive benefits. If you're interested in checking it out, click the first link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive perks available only to our viewers. Don't miss out on that.